Good morning, students. Welcome back to EVS class. Today we see the topic locomotion or moving around. Page number 22. All animals need to move around in search of food and for protection against predators. Predators means an animal that kills and eat other animals. Predator means जो दूसरे जानवर को मार के खाते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? Predators. Okay, so here in the two lines we will see that animals need to move around in search of food. वो लोग क्या करते हैं? फूड की खोज में यहाँ वहाँ जाते हैं और अपने आप को बचाते हैं किससे? जो उन्हें खाने वाले होते हैं, एनिमल्स. ओके, now come to the next paragraph. Terrestrial or land animals. Most animals have limbs for movement. Limbs means their legs. Okay, they having a legs for the moving from one place to another in search of food. Terrestrial or land animals have two limbs at the front that are called the forelimbs. You can see in the picture, these two legs are called the forelimbs. Two limbs at the back are called the hind limbs. These two legs at the back it's called the hind limbs. जो आगे के दो पैर होते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? forelimbs. और जो दो पीछे के दो पैर होते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? hind limbs. Most of the animals move with the help of all four limbs. और we also see that कि बहुत सारे एनिमल्स जो होते हैं वो चारों पैरों के द्वारा ही चलते हैं. While some like human beings use only their hind limbs. और जो human beings होते हैं and some of the animals they are walking or they are moving with the hind limbs. Hind limbs means back leg. Okay, this two leg. Animals like lions, horses, deer, goats use their limbs to walk and run. Okay, they use all the limbs. Animals like bears and the chimpanzees can walk only on their hind limbs. These bears and the chimpanzees can walk. वो लोग चल सकते हैं हिंड लिम्स की मदद से भी और वो चारों पैर का भी प्रयोग करके भी चल सकते हैं. Okay, now come to the reptiles. Reptiles like lizard, crocodiles and tortoises have split or spread out limbs which enable them to crawl on the land. उनके भी चार limbs होते हैं, four limbs and the hind limbs, but they have spread. वो फैले हुए होते हैं और उनकी मदद से वो स्क्रॉल नहीं करते हैं, ज़मीन में रेंगते नहीं हैं, वो ज़मीन की सतह से थोड़े ऊपर रह के चलते हैं. ओके, बट स्नेक्स आर ऑल्सो रेप्टाइल्स. लेकिन स्नेक भी एक रेप्टाइल्स हैं, बट दे हैव ऑन नो लिम्स. दे हैव नो लिम्स मीन्स स्नेक के पास कोई पैर नहीं होते हैं. अ स्नेक हैज़ स्केल्स. स्नेक के पास क्या है? उसकी स्केल है ऑन इस बॉडी विच आर attached to the strong muscles. उनके बॉडी से वो अटैच रहते हैं. The scales help the snake to crawl on the land. स्नेक्स को कौन मदद करता है? उनका स्केल मदद करता है लैंड में चलने के लिए. ओके, in this page number 22 we have seen about the how the animals move, how their locomotion is there, how the motion is there, how they walk. We have seen that some of the animals can able to walk by the four legs like human beings and other animals. Some animals are there they can walk by the hind limbs. Means hind limbs by using the two legs. Now we have seen the reptiles. In the reptiles also they are having the legs, four legs, or we can say limbs, but they are spread. They are having a spreading legs. they are also little bit high from the ground. They cannot crawling their body. Okay, but the snake is crawling by their body with the help of scales. Dear students, your homework is you have to make a different limbs of animals and its function. Okay, like four limbs, what is the four limbs, what is the hind limbs, how the reptiles move, like this you have to write in your rough copy. Okay, thank you.